This screencast is to demonstrate how to apply a password to an assessment. So from the Assessments tab, I am actually just going to manage or edit an existing assessment. So I'm going to go to the Assessments tab, access Manage Assessment, and select Edit Settings. From the settings option, you can see that my previous schedule is that I had it open from the 23rd to the 19th. We are changing our semester, so I am actually going to update this to the first day of a semester, and then I may also change this to the last day, which I actually do not believe that this will matter, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and select Save. So now that I have those dates set up for this particular practice, I can see that it's open till June 1st. I'm going to go back into the assessment, select Edit Settings, and now underneath of this restricted access here, I can require a password that has the due date at January 5th. So anytime that you apply a password to an existing assessment, it will always default to a due date of the first initial date that it's open. So I'm going to select Restrict Access and Save. Once I select Save, it's going to require me to add a password. For me, I just use the same password for all of the assessments. And in this case, I'm leaving it open for any time, and I'm going to select Save. This password is for taking the assessment. For this case, I want to add a password in order for the student to also review this assessment. So I tend to use the same password for all of them just so that the students get used to it. But now on my assessment that's right here, you can see it's restricted. And this password protection settings will allow for the students to use Spanish in this case to complete the assignment or the assessment at any time. So this will help some of our online courses in the case that some students need a little bit of an extension. We do not have to adjust the dates when it's password protected and able to be completed at any time. Now, I understand that each of our courses may have some different settings as far as, wanting them to review it or the number of attempts. You can still adjust those. But I thought that it was worth sharing as we are moving into a new semester to share how to password protect some of these assessments so that in the future, if we do once again have students who need an extension past the semester or coursework deadline, that we don't have to adjust the settings, or that a student may not need to reach out to us and ask for the assessment to be open. So please let me know if this helps.